My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2021 Vauxhall Vivaro E Light. This vehicle has a long wheelbase, an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. As we step inside, we can see that it comes with 9 seats. And this Vivaro has done just under 9,000 miles. On the dashboard, we can access our range and charge. And on the touchscreen, we have features such as Bluetooth search, as well as Apple and Android CarPlay. You can choose from a variation of 3 different driving modes. So you have normal, power, and eco. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.